welcome back to my channel if you are a returning subscriber, and if you're new here, my name is Kezia. Today's install is brought to you by Nadula Hair. Over the years, I have been obsessed with their wigs. This one is definitely one of my favorites, hands down. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 bye-bye knots glueless Yaki straight wig. This comes with a pre-plucked hairline, pre-bleached knots, pre-everything, pre-cut lace. It also comes with some sticky tape. So literally, if you are on vacation and you want to just take this wig, take a pack of sticky tapes and you're good. You're not going to be sweating your edges out. You guys, I am super excited about this wig. I love this hair texture. We are going to tint the lace, but I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Oh, she's looking good, but we're still going to tint the lace. Okay. All of the wigs that I've gotten from them, absolutely beautiful. Wow. Oh yeah, she's definitely giving glueless. Okay, so when you look at the wig, if you're gonna wear her glueless, you see it looks great, but it looks too straight, the hairline. So you wanna go in and randomly pluck some hairs out. And don't worry, you won't make her bald, because that straight hairline is not natural. No one's hairline is like that. But basically what I'm trying to do is make it look more like my own hairline. And a little trick when you're plucking, if you don't want to poke the lace, because I've done this a lot of times, don't pluck straight down like this. When you pluck like this creates the opportunity to poke the lace. What you want to do is take your tweezer and do it sideways. It's on the flush side. So you can see the difference between this and this. If you pluck like this, on the side of it, it's not going to tear into the lace. That's what I recommend doing. And that way when you're blind plucking, which I'm doing, you're not gonna have to worry about the lace. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with the flat iron. It's straight already, but I wanna make sure that there's no kinks. Guys, tell me that that's not my hair. Just like try. You guys outdid yourselves. No, we have to do an updo or something. Look at the bleaching on those knots. You might look at this wig and think, well, you've reviewed this type of wig, this exact wig. No, baby, I have not, okay? I have not reviewed this wig. This wig is something special. My sticky little secret melt spray. I think we're gonna do like a half up something. It just looks too cute not to try. Gel that I'm using. Completely glueless too. Push those hairs forward with the hot comb. So it lays like that and not like this. See what I'm saying? It's the little things. so versatile, guys. You can do tons of different looks. You could do braided looks, you could do updos, but I swear to goodness, they wouldn't call me middle part Kez for no reason. Do they? Do you? You should. Throughout the years, I've given myself all of my nicknames. Like, is that cringe? I had a nickname called C Beauty with a C, like C-E-E Beauty, and then I was like, okay, that's kind of tacky, so I can't do that anymore. So then I came up with Kaviar Kez, and then I came up with Kaviar, but I spelt it with a C at first, and I'm like, no, we need to tweak that and then create Kaviar with a K. And here we are, Kaviar Kez, and now I'm going on to middle part Kez, okay, because that's what we're about. We're about the middle part lifestyle. It's not for everyone, but if it's for you, then you're definitely that someone. Can we pinky swear that we're only gonna do middle parts for the rest of the year, because side parts are not it. It's not eating. Middle part bust down all day, every day. This wig gets a 10 out of 10, but what I'm most impressed about is the construction of the wig. It is just so beautiful, super comfortable. 7x5 lace. It goes temple to temple. Yeah, that's all you need. You don't need anything more than that. The bye-bye knots just gives a perfect hairline. You can see how deep that parting is. It comes pre-plucked. I did pluck a few extra hairs out to give it a more realistic look, but oh my goodness, y'all, it is so gorgeous. I love this Yaki texture. You have to pick one up for yourself. But when you wash it and you dry it, it's going to stay like this. You don't have to press it out because this is the natural style of the wig. 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. This wig is most definitely Kaviar Kez approved. I love this wig. You should definitely check it out before you go. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's the discount code, it's gonna be there as well, so don't forget to check that out before you go. Bye, y'all. Love you.